Hello Tagum City! Hello viewers who are watching in La Filipina National High School official Facebook page. And to our listeners in 98.3 Gold FM, ang Radyo Astig ng Tagum City. Kuya, no? Welcome once again here at Salida TeleRadyo in La Filipina National High School. I am your teacher host, Teacher Janica Candido, and today you will learn another scientific topic in Science 9, Quarter 4, Module 6, as our teacher broadcaster, Teacher Graciel Jean Nerosa, will discuss the examples, differences, pros and cons of energy resources. Are you all now ready? That's great! I will now turn you over to Teacher Grace.
Good day, students. I am Teacher Grace, your science teacher for today. Before we start our lesson, let's have first an activity entitled Guessing Game. You are going to guess the mystery words based on the clues given. You have 5 seconds to answer. Write your answers in a sheet of paper. Let's start. We have a wind, solar, hydropower, geothermal, biomass. What do you think our mystery words for today? The answer is renewable resources. Next, we have oil, coal, nuclear, natural gas. What do you think our mystery words for today? The answer is non-renewable resources. Based on the activity, what do you think our lesson for today? Our lesson for today is renewable and non-renewable resources of energy. For the objectives, first, identify the renewable and non-renewable energy resources. Second, differentiate renewable and non-renewable energy resources. And third, recognize the pros and cons of renewable and non-renewable energy resources. Electricity can be generated using a turbine to drive a generator prior to distribution. There are 2 categories by which energy is generated. First, renewable energy resources. Second, non-renewable energy resources. Renewable energy resources are naturally occurring raw materials or forms of energy which can be replenished through ecological cycles and/or sustainable management practices. Examples are solar, wind, tidal or wave, hydroelectric power, geothermal, biomass. While non-renewable energy resources are those raw materials supplied by the earth and its processes that exist is finite or limited amounts. Once used, they cannot be replaced. They also use fossil fuels to generate energy via the use of generator in which the chemical energy of the fuel is being burned to generate heat energy. Non-renewable energy resources may come from nuclear, which is uranium, fossil fuels, examples, crude oil, natural gas, and coal. However, both have pros and cons in terms of cost, reliability, efficiency, and pollution. Okay, based on our lesson, let's have first an activity entitled Where Do I Belong? You are going to categorize the resources to be mentioned as either renewable by writing R or non-renewable by writing N. Write your answers in a sheet of paper. You have 10 seconds to answer each item. Number 1, oil. Again, number 1, oil. Is it renewable or non-renewable? Your 10 seconds starts now. The correct answer is N. Non-renewable. Number 2. Hydropower. Again, hydropower. Is it renewable or non-renewable? Your 10 seconds starts now. The correct answer is R. Renewable. Number 3. Solar. Again, number 3. Solar. Is it renewable or non-renewable? Your 10 seconds starts now. The correct answer is R. Renewable. Number 4. Nuclear. Number 4. Nuclear. Is it renewable or non-renewable? Your 10 seconds starts now. The correct answer is N. Non-renewable. Number 5. Wind. Number 5. Wind. Is it renewable or non-renewable? Your 10 seconds starts now. The correct answer is R. Renewable. Let's check your learning by answering the assessment. I will be reading the question twice. You have 10 seconds to answer each item. Number 1. Which of the following is a non-renewable energy resource? A. Solar. B. Methane. C. Hydroelectric. D. Coal. Again, number 1. Which of the following is a non-renewable energy resource? A. Solar. B. Methane. C. Hydroelectric. D. Coal. Your 10 seconds starts now. Number 2. An energy source that is gone forever once it is used up is called A. Non-renewable. B. Renewable. C. Raw material. D. Natural resource. Again, number 2. An energy source that is gone forever once it is used up is called A. Non-renewable. B. Renewable. C. Raw material. D. Natural resource. Your 10 seconds starts now. Number 3. Energy that comes from natural resources that can be replenished are called A. Non-renewable. B. Untapped energy. C. Energy in motion. D. Renewable. Again, number 3. Energy that comes from natural resources that can be replenished are called A. Non-renewable. B. Untapped energy. C. Energy in motion. Or D. Renewable. Your 10 seconds starts now. Number 4. A windmill is a renewable energy source. A. False. B. True. Again, number 4. A windmill is a renewable energy source. A. False. B. True. Your 10 seconds starts now. Number 5. Wheat, chickens, tomatoes, and tobacco are non-renewable energy sources. A. False. B. True. Again, number 5. Wheat, chickens, tomatoes, and tobacco are non-renewable energy resources? A. False. B. True. Your 10 seconds starts now. Let's check your answers. Number 1. Which of the following is non-renewable energy resource? The correct answer is D. Coal. Number 2. An energy source that is gone forever once it is used up is called. The correct answer is A. Non-renewable. Number 3. Energy that comes from natural resources that can be replenished are called. D. Renewable. Number 4. A windmill is a renewable energy source. The correct answer is B. True. Number 5. Wheat, chickens, tomatoes, and tobacco are non-renewable energy sources. The correct answer is A. False. For the assignment, read about the pros and cons on the use of renewable energy resources. Mention at least 5 points which you think are important things to consider prior, during, and or after the use of renewable energy resources. Again, for the assignment, read about the pros and cons on the use of renewable energy resources. Mention at least 5 points which you think are important things to consider prior, during, and or after the use of renewable energy resources. And that's it. Thank you for watching and listening. I am your teacher broadcaster, Gracial Jean Arnerosa. Until next time, bye!
Wow! That's really good! Thank you so much for that scientific discussion, Teacher Grace. And also, thank you so much to our viewers and listeners for tuning in. I hope you learned something new today. And again, this is Teacher Janica Candido, your teacher host for today, saying, conserve energy to preserve future. As Dennis Watley said, the goals provide the energy source that powers our lives. One of the best ways we can get the most energy we have is to focus it. That is what goals can do for us. Concentrate our energy. Have a nice day!